Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to backup Gmail emails in laptop. So let's go to the Gmail first. Open a browser and write here Gmail and log into your Gmail account with ID and password. After login to this Gmail account, you have to click on this profile icon, which is top right corner. Click on manage your account. Now choose home. Under this home option, you'll find here privacy and personalization. Click on this. Now scroll down till you find this option data from apps and services you use. Under this section you'll find here download your or delete your data. Okay, you have to download. Click on download your data. Now scroll down and select this one, deselect all. Now you have to scroll down till you find email or Gmail. Here you can find here the mail option, right? This one, mail. If you want to backup the mail, you have to choose select and then scroll down till the last and go to next step. Now if you want to transfer to send download link via email, or you can drop down to choose any option you like. Okay, you can export once or you can export every 2 months for year, 6 exports. So if you choose this one, it will be like this. I'm choosing this one, export once. Now it will be in zip file and file size should be 2 GB, not more than 2 GB. Okay, then click on create export. It will take some time. Okay, you can see that your Google is creating your data of from mail. Okay, now you have to go to again this Gmail account or Google account. Now same, go here, manage your data and privacy. Scroll down and you'll find here download data. Click on this and you can see that you have already an export. Okay, it is Google is creating your thing. Here you can see the process can take long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. Okay, so you have to wait till it's Google is creating the copy. So after creating copy, Google will send you a mail. In the mail, if you click on this, you can download your emails. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.